Hi, in this video I'm going to take a look at some of the FX9's networking capabilities. The PXW FX9 has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC. Via Wi-Fi, the camera can connect directly to Android and Apple mobile devices for remote control and monitoring. In addition, the camera can be connected to a wireless network for remote control via a web browser, as well as file upload via FTP. If you want to use an Apple or Android mobile device with the camera, you should first download and install the latest version of Sony's Content Browser mobile application from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Before you can use any of the camera's network capabilities, you must first set up a password. Until you set up a password, you won't be able to access any of the other network functions. You can also change the default username if you wish. This is all done via the menu and Network Access Authentication. Once you've set your username and password, your next step to decide on is which connection mode that you're going to use. This is set in the Menu and Network Wireless LAN setting. When the camera is set to access point mode, you'll connect your device to the camera. The camera becomes the access point and the camera creates the network. When you set the camera to station mode, you connect the camera to a network, and then you can connect other devices to the camera via the network that the camera is connected to. Generally, you'd use access point mode when you want to connect a mobile device running the Content Browser Mobile or CBM application to the camera, and this is the easiest way to connect a mobile device to the camera. If your device has NFC, you can use NFC to establish the connection. However, in some cases, you may find that you get a more stable and more reliable connection by setting the camera to station mode and connecting the camera to the mobile device. So how do you use access point mode to connect a mobile device to the camera? The simplest method is to use NFC if your mobile device has this. Ensure that Wi-Fi and NFC are enabled on the mobile device. Then go to the menu in the camera and Network Wireless LAN NFC. Select Execute and place the mobile device against the NFC symbol on the upper left side of the camera. When the mobile device detects the camera, the Content Browser mobile app will open and you'll be prompted to enter the username and password for the camera that you set previously. You can also connect to the camera manually by going to the mobile device's Wi-Fi settings and manually connecting to the camera. To find the camera's SSID and Wi-Fi password, go to the Menu, Network, AP Mode Settings, Camera SSID and Password page. Then connect the phone to the FX9's SSID and enter the network password. Once the Wi-Fi is connected, open Content Browser Mobile to complete the connection. When using the camera in station mode, the connection process is similar, but you can't use NFC. To use WPS, go to the menu and Network, Wireless LAN, WPS and select Execute. Now on the access point or router, press the WPS button. When the connection is successful, the network status indicator icon will show a strength of 1 or higher on the viewfinder screen. To connect manually, go to Menu, Network, ST Mode Settings, Scan Networks and select Execute to scan for the available wireless networks and select your desired network from the network list. In the next page, scroll down to Password and enter the network's password. Once you've entered the password, scroll down and select Connect. Once the connection is successfully established, the connected network should be shown on the Menu, Network, ST Mode Settings page. If your mobile device is connected to the same network as the camera, you can use the Content Browser mobile app on the device to connect to the camera. If there is no Wi-Fi network available, consider setting up a Wi-Fi hotspot on the mobile device and connecting the camera to the hotspot. If the mobile device has a good cellular network connection, you can also upload files via FTP using the phone as your internet connection.